In 2020, when COVID hit the country, the government decided to be a little creative and try and decongest the Huduma service points in Kenya. So they introduced something called service by appointment. This is whereby you book before you go for a particular service at Huduma centers. So to do this, you simply have to browse Huduma appointment, and then with that, you will get a link. You open the Huduma appointment link and then key in your ID number, enter your password if you already have registered. If you haven't, then there's the red button below. You click on it and register. Now, once you've registered, your data is captured in the portal on the website by default. You can see the ID number, the names, email address, phone number, and so on. So what you need to do is that by default you get a new appointment. So what you need to do is to pick the service center from where you want to be served. So in this case, we are going to choose GPO Huduma Center, and then the type of service you're seeking. In our case, we are seeking for help services. The date is by default grayed out because they assume that you want to pick the same date on which you are seeking the appointment. And then when you pick time, you will see that there is a number of slots given which are available. After that, you need to pick the town in which you are being served, and you simply save that appointment. Yes, you will get this ticket, which is also automatically sent to your phone as a short message or an SMS with the date booked, the service, and the ticket number. So let's do this again. We pick the service point or the service center. Our service center will be GPO Huduma Center. Then we pick the service. We're going to pick collection of national ID, and then the date is grayed out, so select the time, and the time will show you the number of slots available, and then you pick the town and save the appointment. Now that is how you save, or that is how you create an appointment through online Huduma appointments. You can then also filter the number of appointments that you have. You can filter this in different ways. You can look at the pending appointments, the closed, and so on. So there's a lot that you can do here. Kindly share this video and help someone. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if this was of use to you. After that, you need to log out your account and do this for any other services that you are accessing online. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.